For question 1, we are given the grams of helium in a weather balloon, and that the temperature is 27 degrees Celsius and the pressure is 735 torr. And we need to find the volume of the weather balloon. So we are going to use our ideal gas law, PV equals nRT, in order to find that. So the P stands for pressure, the V stands for volume, the N is the number of moles of the gas, R is a constant, it's always going to be written up here, 0.0821 atmosphere liters per moles Kelvin, and T is the temperature in Kelvin. So first, we're not given moles here, so how do we find that? We're going to use the grams. So N, or our number of moles of the gas, we're given that we have 2 grams of helium. So how do we find moles from grams? We're going to use the molar mass. So if we look for helium on the periodic table, let's get that in focus, it's about 4 grams per mole. We're going to set up our dimensional analysis so that our grams cancel and we're left with moles. So that gives us about 0.5 moles of our helium. Now our temperature is going to be in Kelvin, so that'll be 273 plus the temperature we're given in Celsius, so 27. Gives us 300 Kelvin. Our pressure needs to be in atmospheres, so we'll do that conversion as well. So we're given 735 torrs. We know that there's 760 in 1 atmosphere. And we're going to set up our dimensional analysis so that our torr cancel and we're left with atmospheres. We're going to get 0.967 atmospheres. So now we can go ahead and fill in the blanks in our equation. We know that our pressure is 0.967 atmospheres. Our volume is what we want to find. We have 0.5 moles of helium. R is our constant. And normally I would encourage writing units on that, but we are running out of space on this paper. And our temperature is 300 Kelvin. So now we are going to get the volume by itself because that's what we're solving for. So we're going to multiply all of these guys on the right, and then we'll divide by our 0.967 atmospheres in order to get volume by itself. So after we plug that into our calculator, our volume is going to be 12.7 liters.